First at 6 o'clock, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a Texas law today that requires age verification to view adult entertainment websites. The 6-3 ruling affirms that the state's 2023 law is constitutional, but it's a loss for an adult entertainment industry trade group called Free Speech Coalition. The group challenged the law, claiming it restricts adults' free speech rights. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer Sanders.
And I'm Daniel Marin. Texas State Capitol reporter Adam Schwager talked to one woman who used to work in the adult film industry, but she says she supports today's decision.
I think that is incredible news, because what age verification does is it's going to protect minors from stumbling on to things that are harmful to them.
Brittany De La Mora spent 7 years as an adult film actress before leaving the industry to speak out about the harms of pornography. While she didn't enter the industry until she was an adult, her first experience with pornography.
I was probably about 12 years old, and there were some neighborhood kids that showed us a video in their parents' office. And that is something that happens often.
Friday morning, Texas was given final permission to use strict age verification as a way to prevent minors from stumbling upon pornography. In a 6-3 ruling, Justice Clarence Thomas said, adults have no First Amendment right to avoid age verification. The 3 justices appointed by Democrats dissented, with Justice Elena Kagan saying there is no constitutional precedent for this kind of compelled identification.
The Supreme Court's decision is going to be a big problem for the First Amendment rights of Texans.
Aaron Mackey works for the Electronic Frontier Foundation, who filed a brief for this case arguing the law was unconstitutional.
It's going to mean that a lot of folks can't be anonymous online when they access certain lawful speech that they're entitled to.
However, Lena Gazal with the online age verification company VerifyMy says the technology is there to keep user data private and safe.
We collect just the minimum data needed to conduct the check, and what it's done, it is deleted. The platforms only get a yes, no answer. They only get that. They don't get any other information about the user.
Mackey is skeptical.
It's not necessarily industry standard to have really high-level data security and privacy protections that would involve deleting that type of information.
De La Mora hopes this decision emboldens Texas to go even further and completely ban pornography.
Hopefully it could be done on a federal level where pornography would become non-existent.
In Austin, I'm Adam Schwager.
After the ruling, the bill's Senate sponsor Angela Paxton applauded the chief court, saying their decision, quote, affirms what Texans already know: safeguarding our children is not only common sense, it's constitutional. A looming question remaining for many is what happens to the information you give to adult websites. According to the bill, adult sites operating in the state have to limit the data they collect and delete it after age verification is complete. If a company running an adult website keeps or distributes the data they've collected, they could be taken to court for damages.